Now you will see how to use the best Bybit trading bot on your phone and on your computer with a new powerful feature that can give you double benefits. I will also answer your questions about this bot from my previous YouTube video that you have been asking, and I will show you an alternative trading platform that provides the same bot with zero fees. But first, when you want to start using this or any built-in trading bot on Bybit, you will need to create a free account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can grab the best welcome rewards on Bybit. After clicking the first link below my video, you will land on the Bybit registration page where you will see my face, my name and the details of your welcome rewards. You will create your free account and click here Get My Welcome Gifts. I will show you first how to set up this bot on your computer and then also on your mobile phone. When you are inside Bybit, you will find their trading bots here on the tools and trading bot section. Then you will scroll down a little bit and you will find here DCA. It says invest steadily and consistently, ideal for long-term growth, and nowadays also double benefits. So you will click here create. It will take you to this page where you can select the currency that you want to use, USDT or USDC. I will show you both. Then you want to choose here BTC only, and you can start using this even with just one USDT. Notice that funds will come from your funding account, so if you don't have funds on your funding account, you can click here transfer and then transfer from your unified trading to funding, or you can click here deposit and you can start depositing funds into your funding account directly. Here you will choose the investment frequency and there is a lot of flexibility. You can choose anything from 10 minutes to 4 weeks. 1 day is a great middle ground for a lot of people. And here is the powerful new feature. You can see this flexible savings. And you want to make sure that this button is orange because then it says here, once enabled, the assets invested in each DCA period will be automatically transferred into flexible savings to generate yield. What does it mean? Each time when you buy BTC with this one automatically, that BTC will then go into your Bybit earn account here on the flexible savings, and that BTC will automatically start growing interest. So that gives you double benefits. First, you benefit from the price growth of Bitcoin, and second, you also benefit from the yield that you get here on the Binance earn account, also known as flexible savings. Then you can simply click here create now and you can still confirm the details. You can click here confirm, create it successfully, and now the bot is up and running for you automatically. Let me show how to set it up also on your phone. When you want to use the best Bybit trading bot on your phone, you will open the Bybit app by clicking here open. Then if you don't see trading bot icon right here, you can click here more, you can click here trade. Here it says trading bot hot, and here it says DCA bot hot. And now let me show you an example with USDC. And here again, the minimum is just 1 USDC. And you can choose the same details on your phone as on your computer. So here you can choose the investment frequency, anything from 10 minutes all the way to 4 weeks. Let's put 1 hour just for example purposes. And here you want to make sure that you have enabled this flexible savings for double benefits. Then you click here create now. You can still verify the details. You click here create now again and you can see the bot is now up and running automatically. One quick thing I want you to notice is to leave this empty right here unless you specifically want to put some maximum on your bot. For most people it's the best to leave this bot right here empty. And now let me show how you can find also the earn account and flexible savings on your phone. So if you are on the home page, you click here more, then you scroll this one, you click here finance, and here you will see Bybit earn, where you can also see flexible savings, where you are getting double benefits with your Bitcoin. And when you want to analyze your bots, you simply open here Trading Bot Hot, and here on the top you will see View My Bots, and here you will see the bots that are up and running. You can click right here and you can see the status. It's active, automatically executing the trades. Here you can see the order history, and here you can see the parameters. You can also modify details on the go. For example, if you decide I want to get even more frequently Bitcoin, you can save it right there. Or if you decide, hey, I want to get Bitcoin less frequently, you can also choose it right here. So you have the freedom to choose. And if you ever want to stop the bot and take your funds, you can simply click here terminate, and then you can choose whether you want to receive the funds in BTC or in USDC, and then you can click here confirm. My recommendation is of course that if you ever terminate, you receive the funds in BTC. When you are on your computer, you can do the same things. Here on the status, you can see if your bot is up and running. You can see the order history and the parameters. And here you can modify all the details. For example, you want to get BTC more frequently, you can click here save, and it's modified successfully. And whenever you want to take out your funds, you can click here terminate, and you can choose here BTC, click here confirm. In a moment I will start answering your questions about this bot from my previous video, but let me quickly show you this chart which illustrates to you why this bot is so powerful. You can see here on the screen Bitcoin 200-week moving average, and it shows you this purple line here that Bitcoin has always gone higher in the long term. If we take 200-week moving average, literally always it has gone higher. You can see here there has never been a time when it would have gone sideways or lower. So all the long-term holders of Bitcoin have been greatly rewarded, and that's why it's good to get Bitcoin regularly. However, if we had here BTC price, you will notice the mistake that beginners usually do. They stop buying BTC when Bitcoin goes to the bottom. For example, here Bitcoin price dropped close to 200-week moving average, and that was of course the best time to buy Bitcoin. And then they start buying when the BTC price goes higher. And then when the Bitcoin price drops again, beginners stop buying. But actually those bottoms are the best times to buy. Again here and again here. When the BTC goes close or below 200-week moving average, those are of course the best times to buy, and especially important for beginners. That's why DCA plan is important, because it ensures that you will get more Bitcoin even at the best prices on the bottom. Ask me in the comments right here below the video if there is anything unclear, and I will be happy to help you. And now I will answer your questions from my previous DCA bot video. And Damaris Daniel asks, how much do I need to start to have positive results? And as I have shown you, you can start even with just one USDT. The amount is not that important. The most important is that you start and you do it consistently for the long term. Then Engine Fast asks, how long were you able to achieve such great results? And here he also asks for specific numbers. He says, how long did it take to achieve this and this? I want to learn and imitate your trading results. Please let me know. Thanks. And now it's important to remember when it comes to DCA bot and also other crypto trading that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. If someone achieved certain results, great results with trading, as I have done right here, it doesn't mean that you would achieve exactly the same results in the future. We can make estimates based on different factors, as I've shown you in my previous videos, but one result is not usually enough to make a rule out of it, right? Then Danny says, sir, it says minimum is $43. And this means that you are using a wrong bot, because let me give you an example. Here I'm on the spot grid bot on Bybit, and here at the moment minimum is 274 with these specific settings. With the DCA bot, the minimum has always been just $1 USDT. So make sure that you choose the correct bot. I have noticed in the comment section that there are also many other similar beginner mistakes that many new users do. For example, they say that, hey, I started with my DCA bot, it has generated a loss. Should I stop using it? And the answer is no, of course not. It's actually the best time to continue using DCA on the loss, because those are usually the bottoms of the market, as I explained to you earlier. That's when you should exactly continue using it. Another thing that people say that, hey, I started the bot, but now it has been paused. What to do? You need to add funds into your funding account right here, so it can continue getting more BTC regularly if you want to continue using the bot. Then Andreas Kanna says, hello Roope, if I terminate Bybit bot, do my funds go directly to funding account? And yes, they should go to funding. If you don't find them on your funding account, check on the buy trading or earn accounts, because if you enable this flexible savings, it may be that your funds actually go to your earn account after terminating the bot. So check both accounts on your Bybit and then you will find them there. Then people often ask in the comments for alternative platforms because they may be living in locations where Bybit is not available. And one of the best alternatives is of course the MEXC platform, for several reasons. First of all, they have zero fees at the moment, so you will be paying less fees on MEXC than on Bybit. Just to give you an idea, at the moment they have zero fees for hundreds of different trading pairs. You can see here how much I have saved in the last 30 days compared to typical MEXC fees, which are also lower than Bybit fees. So if I were to calculate how much I have saved in the MEXC fees, that would be even more than this number, because MEXC has even typically lower fees than Bybit, and on top of that they are also providing zero fees at the moment. You can find MEXC platform in the second link in the description with great welcome rewards. And once you are inside MEXC, you come here into spot, and here is the spot DCA, steady growth through ups and downs. And here you choose create DCA bot. You want to choose here 100% BTC, and here you can also choose the frequency. Here you can choose how much you want to put. The minimum is only $1 USDT, and then you simply click here create plan, and the bot will be up and running for you.